Hello and welcome back to my channel, Benson. Today we are doing a Knott's Berry Farm vlog. But as you can see, I have this weird thing where it shows my face and in front of me on. And so we got in the park. We got a drink, and that's really all we did. And then now we're queuing for Ghost Rider. See you after Ghost Rider.
Enjoy it. I don't know how many rides we're gonna get on today.
Benson almost chose to go with you.
Oh, okay. Good. Love you, Betty. Here we go. I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah,
I liked it. I thought for...
Okay, so I just got off Ghost Rider. So basically, that was an average ride on Ghost Rider. Not much to say about it. I had a couple inches of airtime. Not the best ride though. So, yeah, average ride. Oh yeah, and before we rode Ghost Rider, oh yeah, I'm sorry about that, but before we rode Ghost Rider, we actually went to the lounge and got some chips and a drink, and then we rode Ghost Rider average ride, as I told you, and yeah, and then now we're gonna eat at this spaghetti place near Pony Express, I think now. So see you after I eat. Hello. Okay, so we just finished eating lunch. Now we will be riding Silver Bullet, actually twice. And yeah. Oh yeah, and also the park is extremely crowded, so that's why we haven't rode much stuff yet. But see you after Silver Bullet.
What? I can't hear you. Just hold on. There we go. Don't lose your shoes or your feet. It's a fun ride. Oh, when we get back. And that's it.
Okay, so guys, so I just got up Silver Bullet, like my 80th time on Silver Bullet. Average ride, not much to say about it really. But the loop did seem really forceful, and the helix seemed really forceful. But that's kind of normal. So next up, we are going to ride, I think we are going to ride Timber Mountain Log Ride in this extremely crowded park. Yeah. And I think some of the crowds from Disneyland floated in here because even the highest Disneyland pass can't even has a blackout today, so that's probably part of the reason why it's so crowded. So see you after Timber Mountain.
Where it's going.
Okay, so I just got off Timber Mountain Log Ride. That was a pretty good ride on it, but I got pretty wet. It was fine. So now we're gonna ride Pony Express. And the reason I don't have like the weird thing on before where it showed both ways is because it's nighttime and there's really nothing to show you in front of me now. So see you at the Pony Express. That thing sucks, Pony Express, after the last, from I remember, it was pretty bad. See you after Pony Express. Okay, so I just got off, I just got off Pony Express, and it was honestly the best ride I've ever had on this. I know before I said it sucks. It normally sucks, but this time it was amazing.
Which is right here, right?
It was like amazing, you know. Sorry about that. We're just getting drinks. So basically, yeah, we just got a Pony Express. That's the best ride I've ever had on it. Next up, we're gonna ride Ghost Rider again because it kind of sucked before. And nighttime rides on Ghost Rider are always better. And nighttime rides on all rides are always better. So see you after Ghost Rider.
Last ride of the night, right?
Yeah.
Last ride, guys. time. Amazing.
Every hill.
My lap.
Okay, sorry, I forgot to do the out to finish it. But I just got off Ghost, so that's why I'm in the car. But I just got off Ghost Rider.
Awesome, thank you.
I just got off Ghost Rider. It was pretty good. Honestly, one of the best rides I've had on it. But yeah, and that's everything for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, Benson, and goodbye.